Hi there, how are you doing? In this video, I'm trying to teach a little bit on the fundamentals of how to do a programming. If you're like me, who's always finding a little bit difficult to sit through a semester of classes, but on the other hand, you do want to learn how to do programming, how that works in a quick and dirty way, and then I hope this is the right video for you. So the goal here for this series is not to train you to be a pro, but really just give you a quick and dirty hands-on experience of how to do programming, how that works. And after that, if you find interesting enough, you want to go deeper, you're always more than welcome to go to websites like MIT Open Course or Coursera. They have lots of information to train you to be a real pro. Okay, are you ready? Let's rock! So the first thing you need to know when you do programming is that if you just get a text file with the several lines of code just by itself, it wouldn't work. So you need to convert that into an actual program. And then to do that, you need the help of a compiler. Don't need to worry about what a compiler is. You just need to know that you need a software that can help you complete the process easily so that you can focus on writing your code. And a classic example is to use the Visual Studio from Microsoft on Windows. But in this tutorial, we're going to use another one called Code Blocks. So to start, let's go to the downloads of this Code Blocks page, go for the binary release, and remember, go with this one being highlighted over here. That's the one with the compiler integrated. Let's go ahead and do the download. And once you have downloaded that, you can start the installation process and just keep all options as default. And for this video, let's just quickly skip that. Now assume you have the code blocks installed. Let's go ahead and open it. It might just take a little while before it pops up. So be a little bit patient, or very patient. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be an environment you're going to write your code. Let's go ahead and click on the file and try to create a new project. And there are lots of options. Don't freak out yet. Let's just go ahead and select this console applications and hit go. And now let's go to next. Throughout this series, we'll stick to C as the programming language, just to give you an idea of how, in general, the programming works. And here is where you can put your favorite names for your program. Let's say my first. And you can choose whatever name you like as your title. And go ahead and click Finish. Then on your left, you will see your project showing up over here. And if you click on the little sign over here, you're going to expand the sources, and you will see the actual C file. Double click on that, and you will see this is the actual content of this file. Let's try to see if that runs at all. Yeah, it runs. Congratulations! Now you have made your first program ever. In case you didn't know, you just made yourself the very famous Hello World program. And now let's see if we can do anything else. Let's go ahead and close this one. And by looking at the code, you see this is where the Hello World came from. Let's change it to Hello Kitty and see what it does. Save it and rebuild it. Yay! We changed the text from Hello World to Hello Kitty. And hopefully this gives you a quick idea of how you can change the code to reflect what you want to do. Now let's take a closer look of what the source code looks like. So basically, this contains two parts. The upper part is where we import the dependencies, while the lower part is our main code. In this main code, we do only one thing, that is to print out the text. And then here right now is the Hello Kitty. So just in case you want to make a note in the future for yourself or for others to read the code, you want to say this line is to print out the text, so that next time you see the source code, you know exactly what this line does. Let's go ahead and save it and try to see if that runs. Interesting. So we run into error. So the error messages will show out that at the bottom. If you double click on that, that will bring you to the place where the error happened. And following that, there will also be hints about what the possible courses could be. That will help you debug the problem. Now here it looks like we shouldn't have put the text in this way in the code. Instead, we should put that into a comment. To make a comment, you do double backslash so that the text changes color. That means it's going to be ignored by the compiler. So it's not going to cause error anymore, hopefully. Let's see if that is the case. Let's go ahead and save the file and do the build and run again. Yeah, it works. I think this is enough for today. Before we go, let's recap what you learned today. You first set up the coding environment, and then you made your first Hello World program, and you changed the text to show Hello Kitty, and you learned how to find bugs, and then to go through a debugging process, as well as making comments to make your code more readable in the future. And I think this is the good for this video. If you like this video and want more, please hit the like button. And also please leave a comments below the video to tell me what you like and you don't like about this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.